Imagine a world where banks are under threat from quantum computers. This is the reality Hong Kong banks face in 2026. Quantum threats could break current security systems. Hong Kong is preparing its banks for these threats. Banks are adopting new security measures to stay safe. Tokenization is one method being used to secure data. This involves replacing sensitive data with tokens. But quantum computers can potentially break these tokens. Hong Kong is racing against time to find solutions. In 2026, the city is investing heavily in quantum research. This research aims to develop quantum-resistant systems. A breakthrough could secure Hong Kong's banking system. The city's banks are working closely with researchers. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.